reviewed a landscape torn by poverty's bite with hearts so worn. The bitter taste of drink so crude, a blurry path with no renew. Untimely deaths and dreams astray, no rest at night, no light by day. He walked alone through endless rain, yet through the pain he stayed the same. Love shattered dreams at painful cost, but never once was this light lost. A whisper soft, a steady plea,